Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In Scratch, the sin block takes an angle and returns a value between -1 and 1. Angles for sin in Scratch are measured in degrees, not radians. The output repeats every 360 degrees, producing smooth periodic values for animations. You can use sin to make sprites oscillate, blink, or rotate with natural motion. For quick reference, sin of 45 degrees equals approximately 0. 707. Remember that sin outputs values from -1 up to +1, useful for mapped motion ranges. Start by creating an angle variable and initialize it to 0 at the program start. Use a forever loop that changes angle by 5 each frame to drive the motion. Compute y as center y plus amplitude times sin of that angle. Use an amplitude such as 50 pixels for large motion or 30 pixels for subtle motion. Changing angle by 5 means one full sine cycle happens every 72 frames. This approach produces steady, smooth vertical oscillation for your sprite. To convert sin outputs from negative to positive, use an expression like sin angle plus 1 divided by 2. That mapping gives values between 0 and 1 for opacity or normalized parameters. For circular motion, pair sin for y and cos for x, multiplying each by a radius such as 80 or 100. You can also vary amplitude or angle step to control speed and size. Test with known values. For example, sin of 45 is about 0.707.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.